Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 7. Previously in the last lesson we talked about files and folders. We've learned how to copy, move files and folders, and we've also learned how to create a folder inside a folder. We've also learned the difference between copying and moving using the method called to drag and drop, how to delete a file, how to move a file from your hard disk drive to the recycle bin, and how to delete a file permanently using the shift plus delete method, how to rename any file or any folder, and also how to search for a certain file on your hard disk drive using the name of the file. And lastly, we've learned how to create a shortcut for any file or folder that you have on your hard disk drive anywhere you want, whether it's on the desktop or anywhere. In today's lesson we're going to learn about compressed files and folders. What is compressed files and folders, and why do we need to compress files or folders that we have? Sometimes files and folders take up too much space on your computer and you may want to make them small, that a compressed file takes up less storage space and you can easily copy it to another computer or send it by email. Compressed files and folders can be copied and moved as files. You can also use them as a folder. You can add more files to them, or you can delete files from them. Alright, so think of compressed files as a baggie. Let's say that on your table where you study you have lots of books, cell phone, chargers, remote controls, hard disk drives, flash drives and everything, and it's taking up all the surface of your table. So instead of like living like that where you don't have space at all to study anymore, grab a baggie and put up all of those things in one bag. So now you have much more space that you can use for studies, for drawing, for whatever that you want to do on your table. So let me open my pictures, because I have plenty of pictures that they are taking up a lot of space and I probably won't need them a lot. Okay, so I have let's say this file and all of those files, and I really think that I'm not going to need them any soon. So what am I going to do? I'm going to select all of them except this one. So now I feel that those files are taking up a lot of space. To add more files, you can just simply press the Control and click on the files that you want to add to your compressed files. So I want to put all of these files in a compressed folder. So what I'm going to do is right click on any of them after selecting them, of course, and then go to Send to, and there you have it right here, compressed in between brackets zipped folder. So just click over there. You see a folder will be created, one folder or one compressed folder will be created, and it will ask you the name. Pictures, I'm going to type pictures year 7. So the icon varies from one computer to the other because I have a WinRAR. WinRAR is a software specialized to compress folders. So now all of those images that I selected are now compressed. So if we open over here, you will find them. They are all inside, they are all inside here. And actually there's one advantage, or one really good thing that has happened. It actually reduced all the size of all of the files. One more advantage of using the compressed files is that if you want to send them to someone via email or whatever method that you want to use, instead of clicking here, send, clicking here, and then send, clicking here one by one, you can just put all of the files that you want to send in a compressed folder and just send one file. So now I have a compressed file over here. Now I want to uncompress them. The word is extract. I want to extract them. So I'm going to right click and you'll find the option extract files, extract here, or extract to pictures. This one is it's just going to extract it on the same folder, and this one is going to extract them in the same location, and this one it's going to create a folder named pictures year 7 and then extract all the files in that folder. So let's try this one. It's going to create a folder named pictures year 7 and then extract the pictures inside that folder. So let's go ahead. It didn't take a lot of time for this to be extracted. So the folder will be at the bottom of your Explorer. See right here, pictures year 7, and there I have all of my pictures. This feature is going to come in handy when you grow up and you have lots of personal files, documents. You want to compress them, you want to copy them to a backup external hard disk drive, or maybe upload them to any cloud that you have. How to change icon size and file details. So as you know, in Windows you can change the way that the Windows shows the file icons or the folder icons, and you want to bring whatever details that can be shown. It's very easy. Simply let's say that this is our folder that we extracted earlier, pictures year 7. I want to change the way it's showing up all of the icons. So I'm gonna go to view, and in this layout section over here you'll find that they have plenty of different ways or layouts that you can choose. For example, let's choose it's set to large icons, so basically these are large icons. Let's choose medium icons. So now those are medium icons, it shows you the image inside. Small icons, so basically it's a bunch of lists next to each other. And here is list, this is only one list, one long list. It shows you all the files in your folders that way. Details, well, this one is like really useful because you get to know when was this file created. If you took that picture at a certain day, it would show you here which day exactly did you take the picture. The file type, PNG or JPEG, it will be written over here. And this one is like really nice because it shows you the size of each and every picture. Here it's shown in kilobytes. If you want the Windows to show more variety of details, all you have to do is go to add columns over here. Now it's only showing date, type, size and tags. You can also ask the Windows to show the date that it was created. Let's try this one. See, a whole new column was created or shown right here. You can also show a date it was modified. For example, if I open this image right now and drew something in it, the date that it was created will never be changed, but the date that it was modified, it is going to be changed. Every time I make changes to the file, this date modified will be changed to the last time you modified the file. They have a bunch of options: the date it was taken, the dimension, rating. They even have more and more options right here. However, this makes your Windows feel as if it's yours. You know, it personalizes your window. For example, if you don't want to open the pictures one by one, you can choose extra large icons at the top over here. The icon would be very big that you can actually see what's inside the pictures, which is very useful. The last thing that we're going to learn about today is the recycle bin. You can consider it as a folder, so everything that you delete goes to the recycle bin. Okay, it's right there on your desktop. Every single Windows operating system has the recycle bin on the desktop. So everything that you delete, for example, if I deleted this one right here, to delete a file, of course you just click on it and then press delete on your keyboard, or the other method is right click on the file and press delete. You can see that the file is no longer on the desktop, now it's on the recycle bin. To restore a file, let's say that I deleted this file by mistake, so I'm going to click on it on the recycle bin. I'm going to click on it and then press restore the selected item, and it went back to the desktop. But let's say that I don't want the file anymore, like this file over here, level up the guide to create video game design. So I certainly don't want this file. I'm never gonna need it, and it's taking up a lot of space on my hard disk drive. So I'm gonna just open the recycle bin and tap or click on empty recycle bin right here. Well, it's gonna bring you a confirmation message, because the minute you press delete, you will no longer be able to retrieve this file. So that's why it's showing you a confirmation message. It's telling you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? If you are sure, then just go ahead and click yes. And that is it. The recycle bin is one of the features you will find in Microsoft Windows operating system. Well, that is it for this lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you learned about the compressed folders, and you learned about how to extract a compressed folder, and why do we need a compressed folder, and also about the recycle bin. Until I see you in the next lesson, take good care. Bye.